Let's just cross our fingers that there's a final destination upstairs. And then before I forgot, I just want to thank the Lord for all the wonderful blessings that He gave to me, for all the trials and challenges that I surpassed. Shout out to my mother and Bicol Fe Abordo, to my sister Christine, Helen Careto, my childhood friend in San Roque, Legazpi City. Thank you for watching. To all my silent subscribers out there, to all my Facebook viewers, and to all my first viewers who never get tired of my masterpieces. Here we are. Thank you so much for watching, and to all my lovely countries, Philippines, of course, on the number one spot. United States, United Kingdom, United Arab Emirates, China, Iraq, who else? Indonesia, and to each every one of you. Okay. Oh gosh, some kind of a. Just wait, okay? Hold on. So we are now on how many minutes? 3 minutes. Gosh, go, go, go! I'm panicking. There it goes. So waiting for the elevator to come up. There we are. What do you think, guys and gals? Should I'm gonna yeah, IMAX. This is the one I'm telling you, Thunderbolts. See the poster. Oh, what do you think, guys and gals? Am I be able to watch Final Destination Bloodlines in 3D or this Thunderbolts? Oh God, I'm so excited. I'm so kind of nervous. There we are.
Baka sa aso yung nabibili mo. Baka sa aso yung nabibili mo.
Oh, I wish the Final Destination is showing here in IMAX. It's not. Hold on. Final Destination Bloodlines Advanced Screening.
Ha?
Final Destination Bloodlines ba to?
Hindi po. Nasa regular cinema.
Sorry. But anyway, this is Thunderbolts.
Yes.
3D. Last will show. What time? 10. So, just what I've told you. Either of those two I'm gonna watch. Okay? So, but for now, sorry. Can't able to watch. Being the first one of those first to watch Bloodlines. Anyway, it's okay. So, bye for now.